These How to 1 Minute gonna teach you how to add product in Wix website. So if you have a Wix site where you want to add products, follow these easy and step-by-step guide to do it. First of all, open your Wix site editor. Once you are in Wix site editor, click on Add Element. And now click on Search. And here type Store. And click on Wix Stores. And all you have to need, just add this Wix Stores app in your Wix website, and it's a free app. Once the app added to your Wix site, you will get this pop-up window. Here click on Go to Dashboard and then hover over on Store Products and click on Products. And by default, you will get some random products through the plugin. So we are going to delete all of these. So click on this box to select and click on More Action. Click on Delete. Delete. And it's time to add our new product here. So click on New Product and select physical product or digital file. So I'm going to upload a physical product to my Wix website, and then you will jump into product details page. Here you have to fill up all of these options using your product information. So give here the product title, and now you can add your product images and video here. Then you can add a ribbon here at level like new arrival or sale to make this product stand out. It will be displayed on your product galleries and widget. So I'm giving here new arrival. Now you will get here a description box. Write here your product description very carefully, and you can add additional info section here. And here is the product price box. Write the product price here. You can enable on sale option from here, and you can add a custom text field for your product here. And now it's time to add product options, right? So click on Add Options. Now let's add two different options here. So I'm giving a size or weight. That's how you'll be able to add multiple options. And scroll down, and you can from here you can enable inventory. For example, I have 50 t-shirt to sell, so here's writing 50 and enter here the product SKU and enter the shipping weight. You can enable pre-order option from here, and now scroll up. You can show the product in online store. Also you can show in point of sale, and select the category, or you can create a new category from here. You can create a coupon here. And now all you have to do is just click on Save. And this is how we can add products in Wix website. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.